2 Augusts in a row.
They don't see me when they turn down south on Bedford Avenue. They arrive at the corner of North 7th and Bedford. Frank notices me catching up when he turns to lean his hips against a big motorcycle. I say, "Is this your motorcycle?" Frank says, "Sorta, kinda. I'm keeping an eye on it and I have the keys. Do you want to go for a spin upstate with me? Now?" "No, I can't now. Thanks for asking. I'm on my way to work. But I wouldn't mind if you drove me to Boston sometime so I can see a girl I like, named Maggie. I've never met her, but I can tell something is there. She spells her name M-A-G-I, but it sounds like Maggie."